You can graph a line if you know one point that lies on the line and the slope of the line. Let's take a look. Graph the line that passes through the point 0, 3, the y-intercept, and has a slope of 2. To begin, we will graph the y-intercept. The y-intercept is a point of the line that intersects the y-axis, and we see with this point having coordinates 0, 3 that in fact the point is located on the y-axis. Next, to graph this line then, we're going to use the slope, which is a rate of change in the y direction per change in the x direction. In other words, a description of rise per run for that slope of this line. The 2 can be replaced with an equivalent fractional value of 2 over 1, which helps with this rate of change in rise over run. With the numerator value being 2, we will rise 2 from our starting point. For every 1 that we run creates a point on the graph. This represents our slope, and when we connect these 2 points, we have graphed the line with this particular information.